Let's go to work.
It's so quiet now up here. It was like a bag of old bombs before. Getting warm. Excellent. So, test the first one. 3.1. Test the second one. Nothing. Fault. Can even test the third hot water. 3.2. Not dissimilar to that. It's actually wobbling in there. Something ain't right. I've ended up seal up there, so this is very hot, clearly, but my guess is that the seal has gone and it's ruptured it. Even the back one there doesn't look good, to be fair. A tiny little drop on it. This will be contentious, so I've used this as a drain, as emergency on this, because it started to pour water out, as you saw. So I quickly used a PRV, didn't want any damage to the board. I'm hoping that it's still okay. So taking this apart, so give inside a good clean Scotch-Brite, redo the seat, clean the other side, re-grease this and clean off any rubbish that may be on that top seat there, and then put it back in. Yeah, if you do use it as an emergency, take it apart, clean it, put it back together. No one wants to see one of these going dripping away. So, big up. Back together, tighten it up, and then pop it a few times. Let it seat back down. Check the other side, make sure there's no rubbish on it. And then onward and upward, grease this and pop it back in. It's not difficult. Very rarely change these are so good. As long as you do the expansion vessel check this, you're good to go. Here we go again. Here we go again. Topping it up. Seems okay. If it leaks. To one bar. Check for leaks. Anything we may have touched. So I normally leave the gas off for a split second, let it trundle away. Boom. Happy, warm customer for the weekend. Beautiful. Love my job. Oh, I know it's raining, but clearly that ain't working, is it? That's not good. It's well fitted. Well, let's try this one. Oh yeah. So you got one of these, that'll be fine then. So I've got a nice bit of trunking all the way around the front. It goes over to the meter. Clearly they must have done that for the earth bond. Drilled straight through the meter box, so now you can't take the meter casing off. What do you think about that, guys? So I've just been chasing this leak for about an hour. That'll be the bit you missed when you soldered it, and the bit round the back of there as well. Cheers. One snatch is worth two in the bush. All over the tank, cylinders. Nice. So that's our starting pressure. Isolate the boiler. Give me a second. Okay, isolated. Dropping like a stone. Brilliant. Funny noises coming out of this. Oh, shut up, baby. So when this fitted, he put the cover on, and then he put the flue on, and that cover has never been off in all these years, because it's physically impossible to lift this off. Outstanding. So we're doing a repair here. Customers had a giant leak. Trace and repair, well, Trace people have come in. Cut a couple of big holes and gone, here, you've got a leak. So it turns out it's all of the waste pipes. So we're going to redo it. There's a drop ceiling here, suspended. So we're going to pull down and they go in the void. So I have marked out roughly where I want it, and I don't know if you can see it, but over there, right in the corner, just between those two pipes is the drill bit, and that's where I've planned to mark it out. So what you do is you take a laser, get a datum to the height you want, come down, measure off that up where you want it, and then measure off something that's rigid. So this clearly here is so far from that window, and then transfer all of those bits back over to there. So it's a lovely day. We've got a drill, and look at that. That's where we are. So we're going to come out of there and come down the side there, alongside that one. So that'll be a good job. So this is the full event. So we've got a main pipe, as I said before, 2 inch, and we've got a T there that goes 1.25 inches for the wash hand basin. Got a T there going up into 1.5 inches to the bath, come round there in 1.5 inches, and then go up into the shower. So really awkward access, and fucking rocks and all sorts of shit coming down. Glad I protected this worktop, because wow, what a mess. So I'll show you that side. So you've got a 2 inch, this red brick dust. I'm going to airline it off in a second, but it comes down here. Same, utilises the same spacings as the original, and it goes into there. So the customer's pleased with it, I'm pleased with it. So now that hopper, and if you notice that lovely downpipe is supported by what? Coat hangers, sky hooks, you tell me. And yeah, you've got an access point so you can rod it. Brick dust everywhere, so I'm either going to give it an airline and then wash it off. You can see it everywhere, but that was a bit of a pain. $76.